And right about now, if you're celebrating your birthdays, this one's for you, November 18 birthday celebrants.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Si Mr. Singh yan eh. Single tooth. This is being brought to you this time by Royal Duty Free Shops. Let's make Christmas more special. Join the playground battle or raffle for a chance to win an iPhone 17, PlayStation, and more. Yan. Let me give you a sample ng mga and more. Ayan o, scooters. Hindi yung scooter na parang motorsiklo. Yung scooter na pinapa-jack. Sumisikad. Ayan. Electronic smart headphone for music. Ano pa ba? Karaoke machine ba to? May karaoke machine yata. Ayan, from the pictures that I'm looking at. Cellphone, meron din. Smartwatch. Diba? Mahirap lang yan pagka may suot kang smartwatch tapos yung smartwatch mas matalino pa sa'yo. Kunyari, yung direction na pupuntahan mo, mali. Sasabihin sa'yo ng smartwatch, hoy, mali yung liko mo. Shoo nga! Smartwatch eh. Okay, and how you can join? One coupon for every single receipt of 1,000 pesos. Pero pag bumili ka ng participating products, 200 lang. May bonus raffle coupon ka na, 200 lang. Oh, di ba? Wagi! Okay, so do check it out. The Playground Raffle of Royal Duty Free, November 3 to January 4. It's ongoing. Shop, play, and win this exciting prizes. Famous people celebrating their birthdays today. We have Salvador Laurel, former Vice President of the Philippines. Uy, si Yoyoy Villame, oh. Idol ko to. You know, growing up. Yung mga kanta niya. Lalong-lalo na yung Ponchoy la, chididi kung na, buchikik, ekekekek, buchikik. Yan, si actor Julio Diaz, November 18, 1958. Who else? Actor and singer Gian Magdangal. Yan, he's with the, ano nga ba yung band niya? I forgot. Anyways, yeah. Philippine basketball player JC Intal, November 18, 1983. And from Hollywood, si Owen Wilson, one of today's birthday celebrants, si Owen Wilson. Comedian and actor Mike Epps. Kirk Hammett of Metallica, guitarist. Which reminds me, we gotta put in a Metallica song. Dahil birthday ni Kirk Hammett, he is one of the, members of Metallica. And to be exact, he is their lead guitarist, si Kirk Hammett. Next up, we have also happy birthday to, aside from Kirk Hammett, nagbe-birthday din ngayon si Anthony McPartlin. He turns 50 today, TV show host. Yes, you guessed it right. Ant and Dec of Britain's Got Talent. Ayan, siya si Ant. Kasi nga Anthony, di ba? Yeah. Rapper Fabulous turns 48 today. I like Fabulous. I like his style of rapping. Baseball superstar David Ortiz turns 50 today. Happy birthday. And TV actress and comedian Nasim Pedrad. She is with SNL, Saturday Night Live. She's very funny. Okay, I guess that's about it. Famous people, celebrities, and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you birthday celebrants for today, November 18 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You hoo hoo hoo. So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to you. You too, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Shout-outs, text me up 0910-690-9501. Call or text me up. Okay? And pwede rin kayo mag-comment. Comment nyo na sa live video natin. Nakashare yan in all of the Olongapo related pages like Batang Gapo, ayan, Barangayan Gapo, at kung anik-anik pa. Shout-out by the way, mga nasa Barangayan page. Yung nakikishare tayo ng Gising Olongapo page, Batang Gapo page. Hi sa inyong lahat mga admins. Ano pa ba yung mga pages na sinishare natin? Olongapo City, Batangapo, meron pa nakalagay. Marami kasi, no? Maraming Batangapo pages, no? Subic Bay Freeport page, hi! Sa mga admin yan, hi, hello sa inyo. Sino pa? Who else? Ayan. Also do like and share yung page natin na Filipinos Against Corruption Unite. FAC, and then nakahiwala yung U para may emphasis, no? FAC-U. Oh, kaya basahin nyo nga. FAC-U. Oh, galit na galit kasi sa corruption yan, kaya ganon. Filipinos Against Corruption Unite. That's the name of the page. Nakashare din tayo doon lagi. Lagi yan, ha? Okay, so we will be back with more. We gotta play our Christmas song of the hour. Magpapasko muna tayo. 37 days to go before Christmas. Here is Ariel Rivera with Sana Ngayong Pasko here on 107.1 News FM, Radyo Bandera. You're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman.